So now I've got my poaching liquid going over here. Again, that I've already put a little bit of oregano on to start its flavoring. And I'm also going to add a little bit of kosher salt to kind of season it a little bit. And a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. Now, today we're using a chicken breast that we're going to poach. But keep in mind, there's so many different kinds of chicken cuts that you can use. You can use thigh meat, you can use drumsticks, you can do whatever it is you'd like, whatever flavor you like. It's also a really good opportunity to use one of those leftover chickens from the rotisserie that you get at the grocery store. And if that's the case, then you really don't need to poach it at all. So what we're going to do is we've got our seasoned chicken, and we're going to place it into our poaching liquid. And remember, our poaching liquid is that chicken stock with oregano in it. Perfect, and we're just going to let it poach until it reaches 165 degrees internal temperature. Once we're done with that, we're going to pull it out and set it aside and let it cool.